today's video, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image into a shape. So here I have a picture of my two cats and I want to crop them in the shape of a heart. So you select your image, you can double click if you'd like, and notice up in the toolbar you have the crop, but instead of clicking that, you want to click the down arrow right next to that crop icon. And here you have all the different shapes. Now I'm going to choose the heart and it automatically will do that for you. And if I hit enter, there it is. If you want to adjust it some, you can do this and you can move the picture to where you want it. So I don't have the foot in there. I may adjust it a little bit more. Enter. And there you go. That's how you crop an image into a shape. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.